Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to become an e-girl. We're turning into a brie girl. This is a very short, weird tutorial, but it's happening, and let's get right into it. My phone died. My drink of choice today is a dirty chai. It's venti with one shot. I just want to like a little something, but like not too much, you know what I mean? Shut up. I like doing hair first because I hate it the most, so I want it out of the way the fastest. So we're just gonna like find our middle part, make a midi part. My hair's like, no, friend, we do not go that way. Put us back the way we like to be. Okay, and then we're making pokey tails. Okay, yeah. Cute as heck. This is very strange that it's been like that for so long. Might need to hard reset it. Did I break my phone today? Maybe. This is so strange. Uh-oh, what did I do? Oh. Crap. I conceal first before foundation now, and your girl is really enjoying that, and that's all I have to say about that. This is really freaking me out. Oh guys, what is happening? Me trying to make a tutorial while very concerned about my phone. So now onto foundation. Guys, it's still stuck. I should not be filming a tutorial right now. I'm very stressed. I'm just adding the residual foundation onto my forehead. I'm not adding too much, although it's looking pretty darn red. So right after I say that, I'm gonna put more foundation on because it was heckin' red. Okay, I need to come back when I'm not having a panic attack. One sec. Okay, my phone is back on. I'm confused and worried that that's gonna happen again because my phone is how I run my business, basically. So I'm worried. Hello?
What was that with your phone?
My phone just like died and then it wouldn't turn back on. Like it wasn't dead because it has 50%. What did you do to the iPad on the register? Why won't it move?
Huh?
Why won't it move?
What you mean?
I can't get it off the register.
I just put on top of it.
It's like stuck, and it will not move.
Just push it.
It will not move, Julian.
I did not do anything. I just pick it up and put it on top.
It is stuck.
I did not do anything. I just clean it and then put back up.
Cleaned it with what?
With it was a Clorox that I was wiping anything with it.
Did you clean the bottom?
Not the bottom of the iPad. The bottom of the register.
It is glued to the register now.
I don't think it is.
It really will not move.
You have to, I think you just have to push it.
Babe, I'm not stupid.
It happened to me too before.
Anyway. So hold your brush like this so that it turns really crisp, and then put that on the under. And then kind of let go, very gently blend it out. Now we're gonna take the Miss Metals glitter shocks, and this is in Pinkaboo. So we're using that. I don't know if that's in focus, but whatever. Like that, and then pull that all the way on the lid. Grab your eyeliner. This is the stamp liner. You can grab this on breemaquillage.com, and it has this on the other side. Wow, the focus. It's really living my life. So it's this felt tip on one side, and then on the other side it's this stamp. So it's a little triangle, so it helps you do your wing in a snap. All right, now you're gonna take blush and blush everywhere. Yay. I'm gonna use this color, and this color. So all the pinks. So I'm taking the darkest pink and really rubbing that right there, right here, throughout my nose hole. Getting her real pink. Yay. And then I'm gonna take that same one, put it around my lips like that. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out with the lighter of the two shades. Well, two lighter pink shades. And I'm doing circles. And just right on the chin right there. So you're very pink. We're gonna take the highlight and contour palette, go into the pink highlight with your finger. You're gonna draw an exclamation point on your nose. I'm gonna do that on the TikTok though. Okay, and then you're just gonna take your two fingers and blend that in. Bam. Snatched nose. What's up? And I'm gonna put it above my lip. I like using my finger for this because I want a highlight. So then I'm just rubbing that into my cheek like this on the cheekbone up on top. And then before I forget, I'm just gonna grab this big ol' fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the contour shade, the lighter one, and I'm just gonna put a touch of that around my face just to define. And then my bangs could end up going away at some point today, so might as well put it up there. And then just shove some pink in there just to like bring it all together, you know? You wanna look like you got a sunburn, you know? Little freckles on my nose only. I'm using the black eyeliner. Go. And then of course we gotta do the heart. So this is the best trick ever. With the stamp you can make the heart and then kind of just fill in the outside instead of drawing the heart and then having to fill it all in, because that's freaking hard. So I'm gonna go straight under my eye. Well, I think I'm gonna do these off to the side a little bit today. So right here, just go boop, boop, Whoop, see? And then again, whoop. And then all you have to do is like round it out. Bam, heart 1. There we go. Heart 1, heart 2. Cute. We're gonna make a little bitch brow. This has been my favorite trick. I put it on like the Cupid's bow and I tap it out. Oh, sorry, didn't want to offend you. Tap it out and then I put it here and I tap it up. Oh, it makes the cutest lip. Ooh. Everything you need to be an e-girl, you can find on breemaquillage.com. You can get on my website the blush, the Miss Metals, this is the most important. You can get the eyeliner stamp on Brie Maquillage to become your e-girl fantasy. So, just wanted to let you know, guys. Let you know. So thank you guys for watching this very spastic tutorial. I'm gonna go edit the heck out of a lot of videos. I have a lot of stuff coming for you. I am doing my basic Brie. Why do I keep staring at myself instead of you? I'm doing my basic Brie series where I go in depth on how to do things step by step throughout your makeup process instead of having one large tutorial that's really hard to follow. And if you have any specific questions, you can just watch that one video. And then I'm also very, very nervously excited to announce that I'm going to be doing a business series. I'm gonna be talking business, which is so weird because I'm like a makeup channel, but I'm a huge nerd. I love business. I love growing a business. I have now this store, my husband's jewelry store, and then another store. And I am living my best life. I'm living my dream. And it's really great. So I think my first video will be coming up very soon on that. And I feel like I should just be myself. I should be the Brie girl while I'm filming. And yeah, I also have a client coming today to do a makeup trial for her wedding, and I gotta prepare myself mentally for that because that's a lot of work and I'm very nervous. I'm always so anxious when I'm meeting with people, which is so stupid, but I just get anxious. But that's just life. C'est la vie. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I gotta stop doing that. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you. Tell me what your cafe du jour is in the comments. That still is going on. It has its own separate social media because it's getting a lot bigger than just a story on my channel. So now that is like food and coffee inspired, and then I'll probably be uploading cooking videos and stuff like that. That's all the things that have to do with food is over on Petit Cafe du Jour on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Bye. Have a fantastic day. Live out your dream. Be whoever you want to be. Be an e-girl. Do what you want to do. I love you.